Okay, so as you can see, everything's cooking. The pan is pretty busy. It's got a lot of stuff going on here. The eggs finish first, and I gotta get them out of there before they burn. Hash browns are coming from the toaster. These also go in the toaster. Alright, so we're gonna see if we can like flip some stuff over and get the eggs out of there before they burn. But remember, it is quite busy, so this might be challenging. Sometimes you get little accidents like that. It's okay though. Ooh, this is definitely going to be a challenge. How are we going to do this? Ooh. Oh my goodness. I gotta separate the egg. Separate the egg and the chicken. Look at that. Okay. You might be able to get the egg out of there before it burns. Go, go, go. Come on, Eggy. Oh, we gonna get you? Come on. Oh, he's in there tight. He's really stuck. I'll have to use like more, probably butter to loosen it up or something. But we'll go for it. We'll go for it. We're gonna keep fighting. We're gonna get this egg out of there alive. Look at that. We got him. We got our egg. Okay, that's one. Now let's see what other eggs we gotta get out of here. Is there anything else we can save on the egg front? Look at that. That one didn't turn out so good. Oh my goodness. Wow, bacon. Whoa, let's try to separate them. Okay. Let's separate the bacon and the eggs. It's cool when they all kind of congeal together though, because you get a mix of all the flavors. Separate these. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. We're almost there. We got a solid piece of egg coming. A little bit awkwardly shaped, but you'll have to do. I might throw another one on there. Yeah, don't worry. They're all cooking together. That's okay. Let's see if we got any more in the fridge. I think we do. Eggs. Can I do this with one hand? There we go. And we'll keep cooking it up. And it's going to turn out really good. You'll see.